Is your child secretly scrolling past bedtime again? Do you ever wonder why your child, spouse, or even you doom scroll all night on your phone when you want to go to bed but you just can't take yourself away from your phone? Or, in other cases, it could be video games that are keeping you up all night. The reason for this is dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical in the brain that is created when you do something you enjoy. This can be exercise, learning a new skill, even completing an achievement that you set yourself. These are good types of activities that create dopamine, but there are also bad types of activities. Bad types of activities would be drinking, smoking, and even gambling. These activities are bad, but only if done in a short space of time. If you're drinking once a month, that's not too bad. If you're drinking once a week, that's bad, but still not too bad. But if you're drinking every night, that's where it gets bad. The same can be true for video games and doom scrolling on your phone. The best way to stop this is set up time limits on video games and set up time limits on your child's other devices like smartphones, tablets and computers. If you'd like help setting up parental controls, I have a 5-step guide on the Growing Gamer Guide website that will help. Please follow and subscribe for more parenting tips, and if you need any extra help with parental controls for your child's devices, please reach out to the Growing Gamer Guide in the comments, direct messages, or through the Growing Gamer Guide website. Goodbye.